Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel where we break down the nitty-gritty of international transfers. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from PayPal to a Japan bank in 2025. With global finances evolving, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll cover everything step by step to make sure you're set up for success. Whether you're sending cash to family in Tokyo or handling business payments, this guide is your go-to. First off, before we dive in, make sure you have a verified PayPal account. If you don't, head over to the PayPal website or app and sign up. It's quick and free. You'll also need your Japanese bank account details handy, like the account number, bank code, and possibly SWIFT details for international transfers. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section where you can manage your linked accounts. Next, add your Japanese bank account. Go to Link a Bank or Add Bank Account. PayPal might ask for verification, so be prepared to confirm with a small test deposit or through your bank's app. In 2025, look out for enhanced security features like biometric verification to keep things safe. Now, for the transfer itself, head to the Send in Request tab. Select Transfer to Bank, enter the amount you want to send, and choose your Japanese bank from the linked accounts. Remember, you'll see currency conversion rates. PayPal uses the current exchange rate, but fees might apply, so check that first to avoid surprises. After that, review the details carefully. Double-check the recipient's info, the amount, and any fees. Hit Confirm, and you're good to go. Processing times can vary, but in 2025, with faster international systems, it might take just 1 to 3 business days to land in your Japanese account. A quick tip: always use secure networks for these transactions to prevent fraud. If you're dealing with large amounts, consider using PayPal's business tools for better tracking. And hey, if you run into any issues, PayPal's 24/7 support is a lifesaver. There you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to a Japan bank in 2025 is easier than ever. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.